Every time you fill your car with fuel, you're using energy that took millions of years to form and thousands of miles to travel. But how exactly does oil move from deep underground rock formations to the gasoline pump? In this video, we break down the entire oil and gas production process from reservoir formation to refining in a clear, technically accurate, step-by-step explanation. Let's begin beneath the surface. 1. Reservoir system. Oil and gas originate from ancient organic material buried under layers of sediment. Over millions of years, heat and pressure transform this material into hydrocarbons. A petroleum system includes source rock, reservoir rock, cap rock, and geological traps. Inside a reservoir, fluids separate naturally into gas on top, oil in the middle, and water at the bottom, all under pressure. 2. Exploration and drilling. Seismic surveys help geoscientists map underground formations. Once a target is identified, a rotary drilling rig drills down to reach hydrocarbons. Key systems include the drill bit, drill string, drilling mud, and the blowout preventer, a critical safety device. 3. Well completion. After reaching total depth, casing is installed and cemented. The reservoir zone is perforated, tubing is run, and a Christmas tree wellhead is installed, ensuring safe, controlled flow. 4. Well testing engineers test the well to measure reservoir pressure, fluid composition, reservoir flow capacity, permeability thickness, kH, and well productivity. The wellbore is cleaned during this stage to remove debris, drilling fluids, and formation residues. Methods include drill stem testing, production tests, and pressure buildup analysis. 5. Production phase. Early production relies on natural reservoir pressure, known as primary recovery. As pressure drops, artificial lift systems like ESPs, pump jacks, and gas lift maintain flow. 6. Enhanced oil recovery. Most reservoirs produce only 30 to 40% of their oil naturally. Enhanced oil recovery methods, such as water flooding, gas injection, and CO2 injection boost recovery and maintain pressure. 7. Surface processing. At the surface, three-phase separators separate oil, gas, and water. Gas is dehydrated, oil is stabilized and measured, and water produced is treated for discharge or re-injected. 8. Transportation. Midstream hydrocarbons move through pipelines, storage terminals, tankers, or LNG facilities, connecting production sites to markets and refineries. 9. Refining process. Crude oil enters a distillation tower where it separates by boiling point. Products include LPG, gasoline, kerosene, diesel, and heavy fuels. Secondary refining processes maximize fuel quality and output. 10. Safety and environmental controls. Modern operations rely on blowout preventers, monitoring systems, water treatment, gas capture, and emission control technologies. 11. Conclusion. Oil and gas production is a complex value chain spanning geology, drilling, engineering, processing, transportation, and refining. Understanding this system improves efficiency, safety, and sustainability across global energy infrastructure. Subscribe for more industrial systems explained.